So let us talk about knapsack problem. So knapsack problem is nothing but greedy comes under greedy algorithm. So in this, it's not an algorithm, but it's just a greedy technique in which you will be finding a subset. So knapsack is nothing but one consider it as a bag which has its capacity, weight capacity. So you cannot insert an item like which exceeds the weight. So suppose if 10 kg is the limit of some bag, so you cannot insert some item which is more than 10 kg, even though the size of it is fits in the bag, but still the weight should not exceed. So in this given subsets will be there. So suppose you will be having 4 items and each item is of different weight. So now here what you have to do, so each item has different weight, so you have to like make a set of these items such that more number of weight goes in it and more number of profit goes in it. For example, if you consider it as a like each separate distinguished item is having some own profit on it. So to explain this, let us start already with the example which we have here. So given here we have n is equals to 4, means we have 4 items, and then profit and then weight of the item is given. So here I have written it. So see here 40, 42, 25, 12. This is the profit of the item 40, 42, 25, 12. Okay, and the weight is 4, 7, 5, 3. 4, 7, 5, 3. So see here basically we have to make a tabular column here. Now the item, so consider this is item 1, item 2, item 3, item 4. So the respective item have their respective profits. Okay. So now first let me draw here. So here will be my profit. This will be A. This is my item like this. So item 1, item 2, item 3, item 4. So first item has how much weight? 4. Second item's weight is 7, 5, and then it's 3. Profit of first item is here 40, here it comes 42, 25, and 17. Okay, so the formula is also simple. You can just look into the formula. Anyways, the formula is like some variables may differ in according to textbook. So given in this textbook, we have formula like this. You just have to remember the formula. How it works, I will be explaining you. So in this we have here, we will take max of this f is nothing but f of some this function. So it will, so here we will be having a row, right? So it's like that. So f of I minus 1 comma j. I minus 1 is nothing but a previous row. Okay, so comma vi plus f of I minus 1 comma j minus wi, that's it. And then here we have f of I minus 1 comma j. So this are two formulas. So this comes for if j minus wi is greater than or equal to 0, this goes for this, and this is for if j minus wi is less than 0. It's not equal, so it is only less than. So any negative value it will be this, and any positive value including 0 will be this. So now we will be having an initial condition over here. So let me write 0, 0, 0 over here. So here initially, so okay, so here I didn't write the max capacity. Here the max capacity is 10. So according to that it will be like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. So these are my weighting capacity. So this is the capacity. So this it's like one in any that lab equipments, you have that test tube and the other flasks, they have measurements of that ml, right? So consider this as the measurement for weight from 1 to 10. So initially when nothing is there in the knapsack, the weight and all everything is 0, right? The weight, the profit and everything, that is 0. So this thing is the initial thing. Now first we will insert the item 1. So when we insert the item 1, the weight of the item 1 is 4. You cannot insert that weight in this one weight 2, 3. So 4 kg cannot be inserted in 1 kg, 2 kg. So it should be inserted in 4 kg. So will I write for here? No. Item weight is 4. So this we have to match here, and then what is the profit? That is 40. So I will write 40 here. Now for the first step, till n. Now for the second thing, what I have to initially how it works is, so this minus this plus the profit of this. Okay, so let me just show you in a sheet of paper. So I will write here. Okay, weight minus weight. So now see here, basically what we have been doing here is this weight minus this weight. So 1 minus 4 is minus 3, right? So what is a minus 3 formula? F of I minus 1 comma j. So whatever the I minus 1 in the sense except initial item 0. So leaving this row, if you go to previous row, I minus 1 is 1, I is 1, right? 1 minus 1 is 0. So in the 0 of I row, whatever value you have, that will be inserted here. Again 2 minus 4 is minus 2. So for minus 2, the profit added will be I minus 1 comma j. So I minus 1 is 1 minus 1 0. In the 0th place, what you have? The same way till here. For 4, what will have? 4 minus 4 is 0. So this will work out. So in here, what will happen? It's simple. So 4 minus 4 is 0. So first, this profit of this I, whatever it was. So fourth weight, 4 kgs profit was 40, right? Plus previous row 1 less. Here what? Okay, sorry. Previous row at 0 place, what this value was there, that will be added. So here initially here 0 had to come. I forgot to mention 0 here. So at the 0th place, it will be 0 itself. So 40 plus 0 is 0. I know it's confusing. You will understand when we fill the other slots. Okay. So see here, if I have to insert here now, 5 minus 4. 5 minus 4 is equals to 1, right? Now I have to add the profit of this currently which weight I am having, this profit, plus in the previous row at this weight position what profit was there, that was 0, right? 40 plus 0 equals to 40. So till n it will be 40 itself. Why? Because in previous row we have no values itself to add. So I will be writing 40, 40, 40, 40, 40 everywhere. Now coming to the second item, the weight is 7. So until I come till 6, 6 minus 7 will be minus 1, right? So for minus 1, what I will do, the previous row's value I will be adding. So now this is 0, 0, 0. Here according to the formula, it will be 0 itself. But we won't be writing 0. Why? Because we already have a profit over here, right? So we will write 40 over here. Anyways, from this formula, so previous I minus 1 comma j. So whatever the weight was in the I minus 1 place, that will, I mean profit in I minus 1 place will come down here until here. Now see here 7. So 7 minus 7 is equals to 0. So now what I will do, this thing will come, right? So the profit of second item, that is 42, plus profit of this place in the previous row, in the I minus 1 row. So I is 2, right? 2 minus 1 is 1. So in this one row, in the 0th place, what profit was here, that should be added with this profit. So here 0 initially, it's all are 0 itself here. Okay, here let me put a line with the pencil, it should not be confusing. It's just for understanding purpose. Okay, so 42 plus 0. So since our profit increased, so I will be writing 42 here. Okay, the same way I have to do this. Now see here, here also it will be 42, here also 42 here. Why? Because if you keep subtracting, 8 minus 7 is 1. So if you add 42 plus at one place, it is still 0 itself. So if you do even 10 minus 7, that is 3. So 42 plus the weight at 3. So see here, 10 minus 7 is equals to 3. So profit of this plus profit of this, that is nothing but 42 plus, again see at 3 is still 0, right? So it will be 42 itself. So this complete thing till n will be 42. Now coming to the third item, if you have to insert this third item, now see here, it comes under fifth weight position. Now this will be 0 itself, right? And here it will be 40. Now coming to fifth place, 5 minus 5 equals to 0. So what is the profit of 5? That is 25. Plus we have to add the profit at previous row, I minus 1th row, 0th profit. So it's 0 itself. So 25 plus 0 equals to 25. Now will you write 25 here? No. Why? Because you already have a greater profit over here, which is nothing but 40. Why will you want to reduce the profit? So at fourth weight, I mean fifth weight, you already have a profit of 40. So if you want to change the profit, you have to change only if the profit is increasing. So if this profit is not increasing, then you don't have to change. So it will be 25 here, sorry 40 here. Okay, so now here at 6th place, the same way it will be 40 here also, same. Why? Because we will get 25. Just keep in mind that you will be subtracting, right? So whenever you subtract, 6 minus 5 is 1. So in previous place 1, nothing is there. Again 8 minus 5 is 3. At third place 0. So you cannot add anything with the 25. So until it is 0, you have to write the previous value itself. Coming to 7, 7 minus 5 equals to 2. So yeah, it's 2, right? So 25 plus weight at this 2, I mean profit at this 2 is still 0. So it will be 0 itself until you reach 9. So 9 minus 5 is equals to 4. So profit of 5 is 25 plus what was the profit at fourth weight in I minus 1. So I is 3, 3 minus 1 is 2. At 2th row, at fourth position, fourth weight position, the profit is 40. 25 plus 40, what is the answer? 65. So here it will change. Okay, so till there it will be the previous value. So here it will be 42, 42, and here it will become 65. Okay, it's simple. And same goes here. 10 minus 5 is equals to 5. Since at 5 also it is 40 itself, so here also it will be 65. It will only increase. Okay, it won't decrease. The profit won't decrease. Suppose you are getting a less, after applying the formula, you are getting a less profit, it won't change. Now we have weight as 3. So it is 0 here, 0 here. At 3, simply insert this weight 17. Why? Oh, sorry, it is 12 actually, not 17. So why? Because here you don't have any profit earlier, so it will be 12 itself. Now at 4th place, 4 minus 1, 4 minus 3 is equals to 1. So profit at 3 is 12, plus at 1 we have no profit, so it is 12 itself, right? So here I won't write 12, instead I will write 40. Why? Because this is more profit. If I don't have to reduce the profit, already I have a profit of 40 in this place, why will I reduce to 12? So it will be 40 as it is. Same here also 40, and here also it is 40. Okay. Now coming to 7. Now see, 7 minus 3 is equals to 4. So weight of 3 is 12 plus profit of 3 is 12 and profit of 4 is 40 in the previous place. So see here, I minus 1. What is I minus 1? 3. At 3, at 4th weight, the profit is 4. 12 plus 4. So it is simply the what to say? The formula is nothing but whatever the profit it is actually. Okay, that comma it will compare with the profit of this. So basically 12. So already we have here 12 comma. Then now you have to add this. So 12 plus 40. So it chooses like this. Now if you have already a profit here, sorry, I think it's like this. So you have profit over here 40, right? 40 comma, now 12 plus 40. In this, which is the greater, you have to select that 40 comma 42. I will explain you once again. Just see here, this formula is nothing but it compares the weight first, whatever is there in the previous place, same place. Okay, I have to insert here, right? So here before in this place, same here in I minus 1 place, it is 42 now. Okay, now this max of it will select max, this function will select the max of the thing 42 comma. Now what it will do, it will add. So 12 plus 40. Why 40 came here? Means 12 is nothing but the weight of this current weight. Okay, the third weight, ith weight, and I means nothing but item number, right? So item of 4's weight is 3. The 3's profit is 12 plus I minus 1 place at 4th location. How, where would we get 4 is nothing but this 7 minus 3. 7 minus 3 is equals to 4, right? We subtracted this weight minus this weight, we got 4th weight. So we have to add the profit of this weight. So 12 plus 40, so it is 42 comma 42. Anyhow it's same, so it will be 42. So see here, for 3 places is 42, right? So it will be 42 here. Here let us calculate now. 9 minus 3 is equals to 6. So it will be, now what is there in this? 65 we have already, max of 65 comma. At 3 what is the profit of 3? 12 plus at 6th position in the previous row, 6, it is 40. Okay, so here 65 comma 42. So which is max? 65. So here 65 will be there. Similarly here also it will be 65. For this you will have max of 65 comma 44. Why? Because here 42 is there, right? So it will be 12 plus 42, so 44, 65 gamma is so at the end what you get is your 65 as your most profitable subset. So that's it. You, and if you add the profits and you see which is giving 65, and that is your subset. This problem is very simple, and that's it. You don't have to do any like headache. I'll be doing another few problems on this and upload it separately. Why? Because this thing has not come neatly. I'll explain you that in the whiteboard separately and properly.